This is House of Transport Systems. My name is Jide Odioye, the Transport Master. Welcome to our Highway Engineering series. This is a section where we talk about the infrastructure and the road condition that we all use. For those that are regular on our program, you might recall that we started this particular series on the issue of traffic signs. What do they mean, what they look like, the kind of different shapes, and basically what information that they send to motorists. On this episode, we shall specifically deal with the no entry sign. What does the no entry sign look like? It's a round bordered sign with a large white bar in the middle of it. To make things clearer, in some countries and in some situations, they actually put the writing on it as well. It says, do not enter. All right? So remember, we talked about mandatory sign being circular. So the red bar is circular. However, there are some variants whereby the circular sign itself is placed on a white rectangular background. Some countries or some cities feel it's more solid for them, but basically the sign itself being red and the white bar universally just means no entry. What does it mean? It means exactly what it says. Do not enter. It's as if like I have my own personal gate and I put a sign outside my own gate and I say to you, no matter what you are or who you are, do not enter this gate. That's exactly what the no entry sign means. It means there's a section of the road that motorists must not enter. In some cases, it can have an except. So I can have a road that says do not enter, all right? But I can have one that says except for cyclists. So the possibility is there that provision has been made for cyclists to use that road safely, but it is not available for motorists. How and why is this sign needed? This sign is needed because of traffic management. So there could be a traffic flow situation in a particular area. For those of us that are used to City of Lagos on the island, you might recall that there are one-way systems around the 4 Points Hotel and ShopRite on Lagos Island. So that kind of system, the one-way system, it means at some points a vehicle should not enter, because why? If you do enter, you'll be driving against the flow of traffic, which in itself is a serious danger. A lot of people might ask, so where are these signs placed? Ideally or technically speaking, when you have a road, let's say for example you come into a T-junction and traffic is allowed to come on either side, right? You're supposed to put a no entry sign at either side of that intersection. Why is that? So that any traffic coming from this side or this side can see the no entry sign. And it's not just placing the sign on face, the sign must be placed at 45-degree angle so that before you actually reach the junction itself, a driver is already seeing the sign that the road ahead of me that I might wish to turn into is not available for me to turn because the road sign is saying no entry. And then the other one on this side with that 45-degree angle is also speaking to the traffic on the opposite side. And even if it was a crossroad, the motorist coming directly opposite that intersection will still be able to see the sign. If you just put one sign, it means that sign is only talking to an angle of motorists. So if vehicles are allowed to come from the opposite side of that sign, then they would not see it. That is the reason why there must be two signs. What should the driver do when you come to the situation? You just know you cannot turn into that road, so you drive ahead, you're going to do turn, you take alternative route, or you use your GPS to take you to wherever you want to go. But every time you see a no entry sign, just know that what has happened, it is a one-way street, and that road is not available for you to use. If you do use it, and the enforcement officers catch you, you cannot blame anyone but yourself, because you will just get in trouble. And when you get in trouble, you will have to pay the consequences and the price for it. So take it. Do join us on all our social media to share this video, especially our YouTube TV and keep in touch with us because we have so many other subject matters on this highway engineering series that we've decided to talk about with you.